Welcome to my Great Fall series. This is for Lisa here with Homebody. Be sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and check me out on Instagram. Let's get started. Okay, love, so I'm just going to briefly tell you where the items came from for those who haven't seen the sequel prior to this living room tour, because I did a coffee table styling and I did a entryway styling. So I'm going to start over here. My lamps came from Z Gallery. My coffee table and end tables came from Rooms to Go. These white pumpkins actually came from Burlington last year. Coasters from Home Goods. The white pillow from Z Gallery. The throw from Z Gallery. The chair, accent chair, came from Pier 1. The mirror came from Z Gallery. The large ginger jar in the corner came from Home Goods, as well as the stand that is sitting on. The sconces on the wall came from Z Gallery. The picture in the middle came from Home Goods. This set of pillows here actually came from Z Gallery. The pillows that you see in the middle is a DIY made by me, myself, and I. So proud of that DIY. My couch came from Rooms to Go. Moving on around this way, my drapes. I love these drapes. These drapes came from Home Goods. And I'm looking for another set so that I can make these a little bit longer so I can take the curtains all the way to the ceiling. This plaque here came from Pier 1. I'm going to miss Pier 1. These picks here came from Hobby Lobby. The mirror vase down here came from came from Z Gallery. I paid like $19.99 for that. It was a good steal. The ginger jar on this accent container here. Ginger jar from Home Goods. This accent table here came from At Home. And I love these as well. These came from Amazon. You can shop my Amazon storefront. The link is below if you're interested in these. It comes in a set of 2. So moving on to the coffee table. The candle holders here actually came from, everything on the coffee table came from Z Gallery except for the Hello Fall pumpkin, which came from Home Goods. On to this side of the room, which is my entryway. You see, you come in my door this way and you walk right on in. So I put an entryway table right here. Entryway table came from Rooms to Go, but you can get your hands on this from Wayfair. I placed the link below. That tray at the bottom came from Home Goods. The books came from an Etsy shop called Awful Library. I don't think she sells those books anymore. These pumpkins actually came from Home Goods. Trash can from Home Goods. Throw in here from Home Goods. The candle holders came from Bath & Body Works, as well as the candles. The owls came from Z Gallery. Sconces on the wall, Z Gallery, as well as the picture. Moving over here to this corner, the The florals in the tree stems came from Z Gallery, vase from Z Gallery. The mirror stand at the bottom, mirror box, actually came from Home Goods. So that is summing up the living room, the first of a few, because I'm going to do a few living room tours for the fall. But that is summing up this video. I hope that it inspired someone to do an early fall living room setting.